This be my motherfucking last song, so I appreciate y'all motherfucking just being in the motherfucking room, cause there's like 50 people outside. Hey, I got these beans dirtball cheap from a dirtball. Hey, hey. I got these dirtball cheap from a
dirtball cheap from a dirtball. Shawty acting strange, I hit that hoe like T-ball. You gon' be acting strange like I fucking need y'all. And when I stack my money, that shit fucking need y'all. This ain't no ragtag group, all my niggas gon' shoot. I'm a soldier, but they troops. Good, you're cute, but it's the truth. Hey, I don't need no bitch like you. I'm not tryna be rude, but I don't think you cool. Maybe you should go find another dude.
I gotta come, cause me and the money we stuck in the fun. Hey, all I see is dollar signs, the name hard to run. Block 9, he's so wide, so just like
at the same time,
I'ma get sent cause the man. Hey, you lost your damn, I ain't tryna get on my bad side. You boys do not grind, I can see that with my bad. Put it like this, we the motherfucking bad guys. If you ask me for my drugs, I will not lie. I'm tryna scrape body shit, I'm tryna survive. So if I need to, I will stab you when your heart dry. Two bitches at the same time, pulling up like Daytime. Really, it's a shame I can't have you and your friend, but I know you say what? Cause treat me like a slut, bitch buy me like gelatin. Let me reach your skeleton. My bad bitch, she Mexican. It makes sense because I am from East Los Angeles. And when it's really happening, I seen you